When somebody comes in, we like to give them a warm welcome. We want to find out a bit about them, why they're here, what's motivated them to look at getting their hearing checked. So we go through a testing process. Firstly, we look in their ears, make sure that medically we're doing our jobs properly. So as long as everything's clear, we go through a hearing test. So we'll put them in a sound booth and we'll start with headphones and then a bone conduction headband that will give us a prescription reading. So a set of readings appear on screen. We analyse those readings and explain them to the client. We want to tell them what's wrong, explain every step of the process with them. Any questions they have, we'll make sure they feel comfortable to ask them and they're under no pressure at all. I just want to show them what we do. So we then demonstrate hearing aids to them using some more testing procedures. At that point, we want to show them what it's like to actually get their hearing back, which is a lovely thing to experience. What I love about my job is when I can finally put some devices in their ears that are comfortable, they don't hurt them at all, they can't be seen, and then we switch them on. And it's that moment where they haven't necessarily known what to expect and their face just lights up. They don't have to say anything, and I know I've done my job properly. And I know that that's going to change their life.